Alright, since she's finally going, let's do a startup on the 1970 Olympic. It only took me 3 winters to finally get this thing going. It was originally a 335 electric start, and that motor wore out. The crankshaft had all kinds of side-to-side play, and the rings were all worn out. So I picked up this rebuilt 299. And it took about a week to get the timing right on it, because that's a long story I'll save you from hearing. But she's finally going. She's reliable now, and it's a lot of fun to ride. One thing I'll recommend is wear these, because you might as well have it straight piped. The muffler does nothing. So yeah, I'll put these on and put my other glove on, and might need the choke. Running good. Lot of fun. I need to get a better windshield for it. I have a second one, but it's just as sun bleached as this one. You can hardly see through it. Of course, it is the yellowed one that they made. But screwing with this earlier, I thought it would look better with this headlight thing down. It has no headlight in it, but I had it up and it's just an empty spot because there's no headlight. And there's a little piano hinge in there, and it was all rusted up and it wouldn't work, and I didn't want to bend and break stuff, so I took it all out of the hood and cleaned it all up, and now it works good. Need to get a headlight in there for it, but to me it looks better closed. So that's pretty cool. Got that working. She needs to be restored, but you know, it's together enough and sound enough mechanically wise that it's a good rider. So I'm happy. I'd like to get the plastic vents to go in here. They look a little nicer than just open like that. And I'd like to get the trunk thing that goes here. Maybe get an accurate seat. This is just a block of foam with some canvas stuff over it. It's comfortable. It sits high enough, so that's nice. But yeah,